All right, let's dive into it. Today we're going to talk a bit about the PackU broadcast and how we can do a lot of the background stuff. I'm going to walk you through today's tutorial on how to run this show, get into the computers, and get everything set up. We got to figure out how to get into the PCs. Go to parsecgaming.com. From there, you're going to go into this upper right-hand corner and press the download button. Choose whichever operating system works best for you. From there, you're going to press download for Windows, because I have Windows 64-bit. Press keep, because I'm using Chrome. And then you're going to open it up, install it, download it, and get it going. Once you have Parsec downloaded, you're going to need to log in. You're going to need to create an account. You're going to make your own account with your own personalized username, your own personalized password, everything that's unique to you. Once you log in, there will be no computers on your thing. Ignore the multitude of computers that I do have up here right now. These are my personal computers, as well as a couple ones that we use for work. Once you have your account and they are added to the friends list, from there it is a very simple process of coming in and pressing connect on each one of these computers that you need to connect to. Tech directors, it's as simple as you connecting to UT1. It is clearly labeled UT1 dash, and the TD stands for tech director. Just connect to that and you are good to go. For the observers for the night, you are going to go to UT2 dash OBS. That is not OBS. That is shorthand for observer. So for Parsec, it is literally like you are remoting into these PCs. Parsec's pretty straightforward. It will take control of your full desktop here, meaning that this is no longer your personal computer. This is the computer that you are remoting into. If you want to change that, you can come and see this, press this little Parsec icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will not show up on the other screen, the other computer that you are remoting into. This is only on your personal PC. You can come in here and you can set it to windowed, and you can have a beautiful little window that you can click, drag, move around, alter, whatever you need to do if you want to change it so that it is smaller. I know some people like to do this. I personally do not like to do this. You can come back in here and just change it right back. Shortcut for that is Control-Shift-W. Another good shortcut to know is Control-Shift-I. This sets you into immersive mode. With immersive mode, it basically means that this PC is now pretty much your personal PC. You have become immersed inside of the computer. So every command that you do, including like stuff like Alt-Tab, I'm pretty sure Control-Shift-Escape works. Any of the actual shortcuts, stuff like that, will be fed directly to the PC that you are remoting into. Use this with extreme caution, because now you cannot get outside of the bounds of this window. To disable it, you just press the same command, Control-Shift-I, and then it'll give you a prompt at the very top that'll say immersive mode is now off. Once again, those prompts do not show up on the computer that you are remoting into. Your mouse will move just like normal. I literally have a screen up here, and this is the computer that I'm remoting into. I can see the mouse moving around just like I am moving it around on the screen. From there, there's some little settings here and there. You don't really need to care about a lot of these. I usually just use auto. NVIDIA, if you have a better NVIDIA card, you can come in here for the decoder. It will give better color accuracy. There, you can come in here and you can disable the sound. This does not disable sound on the other side in the PC you're remoting into. It only disables sound on your side. Last but not least, how do you disconnect? How do you get out of these PCs? It's Control-Alt-tilde, or you can just come in here and press the button and press disconnect. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you guys were able to learn a little bit about how to remote into some of these computers. This is a standard practice that is kind of used across the board for a lot of productions that I have personally worked on. It includes stuff like working on environments that are in the cloud, what we like to call log cabins, which are just a bunch of computers that are laid out in someone's room that you can remote into. It's a good practice. It's a good software. There's a lot of different remote desktop protocols that you can use. We've just found Parsec is the best. If you liked this video, make sure to go underneath and give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content that we'll be pushing out in the next couple days. I want to make a huge broadcast package built off of PackU that has full documentation on how to run the show from every position, like technical director, producer, everything like that. So stay tuned. Hope you guys continue to watch.